मंगेश बंद कर।
विदाउट ट्रॉफी
विदाउट ट्रॉफी
मैम सेंटर
नहीं हो रहा करीना जी सेंटर थोड़ा सा राइट दिख कैमरा करीना जी यहाँ पे वेट
करना मैम यहाँ पे मैम करीना
जी यहाँ पे
Of course, I have to say that since the birth of Taimur, I've always said that my life is actually in his hands because he is my life. So the most important thing I think a mother wants is the safety of her child, the well-being of her child. I think we all know that as a family, when you know that somebody falls sick, especially when a newborn or a child falls sick, I think the impact is, it's even worse than I think when an elder falls sick. I think there's just that thing. So when I was being a mother today and Taimur being, you know, on his vaccination journey, when I realized and I did a lot of research, I kind of educated myself about these vaccinations, I realized that if there's a chance that we can help our child from actually combating infections and fatal diseases, why not help everyone, like it says, on the length and breadth of India? I think there would be that connect, I'm sure. Every young mother, every parent will have that connect with me because it's something that I'm experiencing right now. I mean, for a second also, I mean, if I think that, you know, there is something that I can protect my son from, why not do it? So the idea is that to educate people, to educate the masses, to kind of make them believe in these immunizations, in these vaccinations. And I'm so happy that, you know, we have Adar and Natasha, apart from being dear friends, being such amazing people to kind of take on this cause and to just, you know, want people to come out there, vaccinate themselves, get themselves immunized, get their children immunized. I think that is just something that I couldn't say it's an absolute no-brainer for me to be a part of this wonderful campaign. I think that the most important thing is that when my journey is going on with Taimur, of the vaccination journey, to protect him from against, you know, infections, fatal diseases, agar mujh mein wo belief hai, I'm sure that I can spread the awareness amongst other mothers and other parents across the country. Of course. पर मैंने हमेशा कहा है कि प्रिवेंशन इज़ बेटर देन क्योर. जैसे स्टेज पे बातचीत हो रही थी कि वी आर ऑलवेज स्पेंडिंग मनी, एक्स्ट्रा कॉस्ट ऑन क्योरिंग. But whereas when prevention is cost effective like a vaccination, I think we should rather do that than think about the cure. So we rather acknowledge and kind of accept and believe in immunization and say कि I will rather protect my child than आगे जाके face for the problems and then spend money on उनके hospital के खर्चे, उनको trying to cure the child. I think it's better that we all believe in the vaccination and go in for the prevention. I think यही मकसद है हमारी, यही hope है इस campaign को लेकर के Swachh Immunized India. That's what we want. That every child from the length and breadth of our country gets immunized. We are hoping that this campaign we can proudly say, shining India and a healthier India. Yes, of course. I mean, I think right now it's not the time to talk, but we will talk on that. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
क्या गोवा जी वो सब यार तो मेरे को दे बोल
करीना जी इधर ऊपर 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 भी
प्रदीप भाई नीचे प्रदीप भाई
ऊपर 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 खान साहब लेफ्ट में ऊपर ऊपर करीना लेफ्ट में खान साहब लेफ्ट ऊपर 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 खान साहब ऊपर लो दादा खाली उसे दादा अरे बैठो ना नीचे अरे यार बैठो दादा नीचे बैठो ना तो हो गया तो हम लोग तो लेने होते ना प्लान
मंगेश बंद कर
विदाउट ट्रॉफी
विदाउट ट्रॉफी
मैम सेंटर
करीना जी सेंटर
वन सेंटर
थोड़ा सा राइट दिख कैमरा करीना जी यहाँ पे
करना मैम यहाँ पे मैं करना
यहाँ पे